Hey guys, we have a special unboxing video. This is from Bon Bon, who already gave Hudson a collapsible water bowl set, but this is his second gift. And I mean, it's heavy, so
wow, Bon Bon.
I don't know what it's inside, but I mean, she said get ready with the scissors because you're gonna need it. And so we're going with it. Oh my God. Oh, wait a minute.
Snip, snip, snip.
There's a lot of things in here.
No, Bon Bon.
Oh,
That water bowl's a big hit.
oh,
Oh, wow.
oh my God. Oh, oh, I gotta snip more.
Yep, snip, snip, snip.
What have we got here?
Look at Hudson. Oh, wow.
Flip top bottle for travel. Oh, so then we could put the water.
Nice.
Or maybe it's moisturizing hand sanitizer.
Oh,
Maybe
that's
that's for the
perfect.
little.
Oh, so no, that
that's
crappy little
great
thing
for
anymore.
us.
That's fantastic. Yeah, that's awesome.
Hudson loves frisbee. More hand sanitizer. We're gonna be sanitized, but
That's great.
Hudson, we gotta read this card first. Ready? James, Carla, and Hudson. Oh, he knows what the frisbee is. Yeah, and you smell what else is in there. Let's read the card first. We have to be patient. I know you want what's in there. It's like, let's get at it, Mom. Let's get at it. Okay, wait. Oh, cute kitty
No, let me
card.
show. Oh, yeah, that is cute. Little kitty in there.
Okay. To James, Carla, and beautiful Hudson, that's you. Love always, Bonnie, Bon Bon. Oh, and a little
No,
paw
that's
print and
awesome.
a wink.
Yeah, that's
And
great.
then wait, like there's a note inside here too. Dear James, Carla, and beautiful Hudson, enclosed our treats for Hudson. Oh, wait, I didn't even see these things yet. So I can't read it all because I have to show them. Oh, trail mix with
Trail
real
mix, Huds.
beef and sweet potato.
Oh, Huds.
More flip top water bottles.
Oh, Huds.
Huge. Look how.
That's a big
they're
box.
set for bottles.
That's a big box.
Wait. Okay, let's put this on the side. Let's get all set up. Because I started reading this and she said, enclose the treats for Hudson. 3 purple bracelets from the animal rescue site. Let's check these out.
Oh, very cool.
Oh, there's paw prints on them.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, wait, Hudson, I gotta put
Excellent
it on.
job.
Oh,
Oh, that's great.
I love them.
That's great.
Look, they got the paw print.
Yeah, really cool.
A frisbee, sanitizer with 2 little plastic bowls to put it in your walks with Hudson, which is perfect,
perfect.
because we only have this tiny one, and honestly, sometimes it's not enough, especially like during our donut journey. We got like sticky donut stuff all over us. Thank you for the wonderful
nibbling
walking
them.
towards you. He is nibbling. He wants you do, which makes me so homesick for New York City that I'm glad I'll be coming back in the fall. I watch you always and cry at times when I see the old stomping grounds that I used to hang out at, especially late. Okay, wait. All right, it's time for a Hudson treat. Then we'll read more. Okay.
He's demanding.
He's demanding. He's like, Mom, you can read, but, you know, I want some trail mix. Ooh. Chewy and crunchy, no artificial flavors.
Nice.
You want to just dig in? Oh, these are so cute. Look, they're tiny, tiny little
Oh, he
milk
loves that.
bones.
Yeah, he loves that.
He loves the baby treats.
Yeah,
so
loves
now, can I finish reading? Would that be okay?
Would that be okay, Huds?
Okay, he says yes. So I watch you always and cry at times when I see the old stomping grounds that I used to hang out at, especially late hours and coming home on the train to Queens the next morning. Can you believe he's helping himself?
Yeah, no.
So, okay, this, you know,
That's not how it works.
yeah,
though.
they're helping itself. You can wait. Coming home on the train to Queens the next morning. Times have changed a lot with new, oh God, please, Paul, and taking down a lot of the old, especially during this pandemic. I like to support small businesses, and to me, especially food stores, is what I support the most here. We'll get through this and be so much stronger than ever before. Thank you again, showing the true beauty. Oh, Bonnie. And kisses. Look, Hudson's giving me kisses, which is really
awesome
for you,
job,
Bon. So extra good. Let's give Hudson another big treat.
Awesome
A little
job.
bit of trail mix first, because he really likes this.
Yeah, he likes this.
Yeah. And then a big bone. Look at this. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys.
Oh, guys, look.
The preview of our first design. And you can get this t-shirt in black, too.
Hudson's
And, I mean, we could do it in gray, too. But I think black and white are the two most popular colors to start out with. So this is a preview. It's by Hanes, and it's a unisex t-shirt, by the way.
Look at him.
Yeah, okay. He's like, enough of the t-shirt. I want my
No, he's
biscuit.
chewing your bracelet.
I know he's chewing the bracelet. Oh, wow. Look at these. Extra big. Let's break it in half. Well, 1/3.
Beautiful. Nice, Hudson. Nice, Bon. Fantastic job. Beautiful.
Thank you so much, Bon. That was extra good. I'll squeeze down. We'll get all in here.
We'll have more about the t-shirts coming soon.
And here's the rest of Hudson's treat.
Awesome.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Beautiful.